Hello, kids! Welcome to ABC Fruits and Veggies. Let's learn together. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. D is for date. E is for eggplant. F is for fig. G is for grapes. H is for honeydew. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. P is for papaya. Q is for quince. R is for radish. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for ugly fruit. V is for vegetables.
W is for watermelon.
X is for chigua.
Y is for yam.
Z is for zucchini. Great job, kids! Like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.
Hi, friends! Welcome to ABC Grok. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.